Hi guys, I'm Issa. Today, we're going to learn how to use Gamemaker. So, once you install it, it's for something like this. So you have to press the new button to press a new project. So there are a bunch of templates you can use, but let's go over a date here. So let's comments, and then comment just G. So now, so this is their like workspace. So yeah. So we have to start with the sprites. As you can see here, there are many folders. So you can put stuff in. To find the sprites folder, you can right click on it, then click create, and then sprites. And let's call it SPR player, standing for sprite player. So to change the size, let's go with this. So let's just let's just drop player. Good enough. So now we can go to objects. Let's click on this and create an object. Also, yeah, an object are basically like, you know, the actual, like, object in the game. For each object, they have a sprite. So, yeah. So, okay, add an event. So, add an event, it's sort of like, you know, create, step, draw, mouse, yeah, you probably get that. So, you look at the create event, what happens when the object is created. So, we're going to call a step event, which is basically, the object what happens in the, like, main root of the object. So, it's a difference between Gemma code and Gemma visual. Also, Gemma code, because it has a lot more documentation, it's just, like, more popular. So, that's for this project. So here's the step. You can like code it. It's sort of like JavaScript, I guess. You can put semicolons, you don't have to. Also say x plus equals 5. Now we need a room. Actually, there's already a room created when you create a project. It's called room 1. Let's go to room 1. So you can have layers. What the users right now, we need one layer. So our object player basically rabbits is play in the room. So now that the object is there, we can now move it around, scale it, rotate it. Well, let's run the project by pressing this run button. So we don't have to wait for a project to file, which takes quite a while. So now it's done. You can see the objects moving there. So because that's what we coded to do. So yeah. So let's make you feel to move the bar of the keyboard. So if keyboard check. So keyboard check, it basically just extract the keyboard. VK, right? So the usually use VK signals. So VK is just for like solve the like lectures. So like for example, what I want to do is Z, I have to use or. So let's say Z. But also anything that or has to be capital or they're not gonna work. Let's use VK rights. Let's say x plus equals 5. Now, I'm just going to copy this and copy this and copy this again. It's just a VK left. VK left. Change this to VK up. Change this to VK down. So VK left, x minus equals 5. VK up, y minus equals 5. So we just need to know when you're going from scratch or something. Plus equals. If you do y plus equals, you need the object down, and minus equals move it up. So now let's test it out. Now let's wait for it to compile again. Okay, so now we can use the arrow keys to just go around. Hey, I just noticed that the window is a bit big. So let's go to use that. And let's see just how about 160 by 600. Now we're just gonna put the player over here. Let's make the background. Let's make a sprite for the background. We'll create a sprite. So now I'm going to put the import button so I can import an image instead. I'm gonna okay, I'm not blue about green. I'm just gonna grab this image that I have. It's gonna be a green background. So now I put the background layer, and yeah, the background is a layer because yeah, I can go sprites, so I can make it be SPR player. And get the tile since I can be this. But I don't look pretty good, so let's just do sprites too. Which looks better, I guess. It's not looking like I for the last time. Oh wait, actually before that, I'm just seeing the difference between just you know, variables and stuff like that. So there are two ways to make variables. One of them is to just, you know, write a variable like how about August? So let's just set it to like 4. Okay, actually that's like a speed, actually that's gonna be a speed. Well, we'll check out a speed because it's going to interfere with the speed versus variable. And I was to know your name. So yeah, it's just gonna be like this. Oh yeah, I can see the cards if you want, but I don't do that because yeah. Another variable is var. So if you're in var, if you create a variable. The variable could be there below the scope only. So if I August here, it says undefined. Yeah, it's undefined because of var here. Var is for like variables that are not going to be like used. But for example, in a for loop, for var, I will just 0. Yeah, I'm thinking like what I see. Well, so it's var variables. It's commanded by underscore because so you know that's var. Anyways, August August 4. Anyways, August 5 this August. They'll be you know compile for last time. Oh yeah, most people going to use the first source to make the 32x32. I mean, yeah. It's such a zero because it's report is gonna do stuff. So now it has to compile. Oh yeah, let's compile Gamemaker. You can export a game on it. It's free. You can export it on like Windows, Mac, through the web. Because if you follow those, I mean, it was free before then, but it's free now, so that's. Okay, so now everything works. It's a little bit slower than before because the OS variable is into 4, not 5. But yeah, overall, that's just it. Anyways, that's it for you. Make sure to like and subscribe and I'll see you later.